The paycheck hits. For about 48 hours, you breathe. Then the expenses start. And by the 20th of the month, you're doing math at 11 p.m., trying to figure out if you can make it to the next one. I ran this pattern for 3 years on a salary that should have been enough. I know what that 11 p.m. math feels like, and I know the exact sequence that ends it. My name is Jasper. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the 5 steps out, in the exact order they need to happen, starting with your next paycheck. Subscribe if you want specific exits instead of more explanations of why you're stuck. Here is what is actually happening. The moment your paycheck arrives, your brain registers the full balance as available. Not savings, not obligations, not future. Available. So it spends accordingly. Small decisions, reasonable purchases, until the obligations arrive and there is nothing left. I call it the Payday Reset Cycle. It resets you to zero every single month. Not because you're careless, because the sequence is wrong. The exit is not more income. The exit is a different sequence with the income you already have. 5 steps, this order, starting this week. Step 1. Calculate your real working number, not your salary. Take-home pay minus fixed obligations, rent, minimum debt payments, utilities. What remains is the number you actually manage. Most people manage the full paycheck. That is why it disappears. Step 2. Build a $500 buffer before anything else. Not a full emergency fund. $500. Separate account, untouched. This stops the most common reset trigger, the unexpected $300 expense that wipes everything and sends you back to zero. Step 1 felt too small to me when I first did it. I did it anyway. 2 months later, I understood why it worked. Step 3. Automate $50 the day the paycheck arrives, before you see the full balance, before any spending decision happens, not from what is left. First, this single habit breaks the psychology of the entire month. Step 4. Pull your last 90 days of bank statements. Highlight every automatic recurring charge. The average household recovers about $80 to $150 per month from this exercise, not from sacrifice, from forgotten automation. Step 5. Every dollar recovered from Step 4 goes directly toward your highest interest debt. One target, all of it, every month, not spread across everything. One. Here's the honest part. This sequence works. Month 2 felt like nothing was changing. That's normal. Month 3 is when the reset stops. If you're in month 2 right now, stay. Every month the Payday Reset Cycle runs costs you approximately $340 in compound growth you never recover. Not because you spent it dramatically, because it never had the chance to become anything. Start the sequence this week, not next paycheck, this one.